Hello everyone, welcome to Beaudesk Salon Management System. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can use our combo pack option to provide special discounts to customers for receiving more than one service. You will find this option in Beautysoft menu under the Master section. Select Items. Then we have the option for Combo Pack. Click on Combo Packs. Then you will be able to see all available combo packs that has been created before. To create a new one, click on Create button here. Then give a name to this combo pack. For example, Combo 5 Promotion. Then from the Combo Items tab, click on Add an Item and add the services that you will be providing for this combo. For example, let us select hair cutting and let us choose count as 5. Similarly, we can also add more than one service just by clicking on Add Item and typing the service. We can also provide discount for these 5 services. For that, we have to select the discount type. If it's fixed, we will select fixed and we can specify the discounted amount here. For percentage, we can select percent here and specify the percent. For example, 10%. And you can see that the total has been automatically calculated by the system. Once done, click on the Save button here. And later on, if you want to change and modify this combo pack, you can simply click on Edit and adjust accordingly. Now to see how this combo pack works and what benefit we can get from it, let us open an appointment from Appointment Scheduler. Create an appointment first. Select the customer. And then from the service line, select the combo pack that we have created. In this case, Combo 5 Promotion. Then click on Create. And let's open the appointment to see the changes. In here you can see that we have chosen Combo 5 Promotion for this particular appointment. Now we can mark this appointment as in check-in status. And then we can click on the payment button. Once we complete the payment, you will see that a new tab for combo session has appeared on the screen. Click on this combo session tab and you will see all the 5 sessions are available here. Now, to book an appointment for these sessions, click on the session. From here, click on Mark Booking and then select a date for the appointment and also the time, let's say 15:30. Also, we have to specify the assigned staff here, for example, Catherine. Then we can click on Mark Booking and close. Then you can see that it has been updated here that a booking for this session has been done on 28th of July under the staff named Catherine. To see this on the appointment scheduler, let us go to appointment scheduler. Let us go to that date. And you can see that an appointment has been already booked under the staff name Catherine. Another way to book these sessions is that you can click on any of the slot here. In here, select the customer name, which in our case is Sara Al-Khaldi. Then you will see a button for available sessions. Click on this button and in here you can see the list of pending sessions. Select the session that you want to book appointment for. You can even select multiple sessions here. And then you can also change the staff name. Once done, click on apply button here. Make sure to remove this one and then click create. Similarly, we can book all the other sessions. Now to know the status of all these sessions, we can go to Beaudesk. Under orders, we will see the option for combo sessions. Click on this one. In here you can see all the sessions for any customer. Let us look for our customer named Sarah. And you will see all the 5 sessions that we have added for this customer. So in here you can see that we have booked an appointment for only one of the sessions. We can mark this session completed from here, or we can also do it from our appointment scheduler. In that case, this status will be changed to done. For example, if I go back to this appointment, let us mark this appointment as completed. Notice that there won't be any invoice for these sessions since we paid all the 5 sessions at once in the beginning. We only have to click on this set to paid button here to close this appointment. As you can see, the appointment status has changed to paid. Now going back to our combo sessions for this same customer, we can see that the status for this particular appointment has changed to done. So similarly, we can mark booking and complete the appointments for all these sessions. And that's how you can utilize the combo pack option in our system. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you in the next one.